everyone. Today is Saturday, so we are off from work. And since it's Saturday, we have time to cook, prepare some meals or anything that we would like to eat. My husband requested me to make apple pie for him. As you could see, ingredients are now prepared. So what are the things that we need when we bake or when we cook apple pie? Okay, first we have to have 1/4 cup white sugar, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup water, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, 8 apples, peeled, cored, and sliced. And then of course we also need 1 recipe pastry. So we have to cut the apples into halves, then into fourths. Core the apple. To peel the apple. You have to be careful not to hurt yourself while doing the process of coring and peeling the apples. After peeling the apples, this is how I slice it. I just make thin slices on the apple. When we cook our apple pie, that's one of the ingredients needed to add taste, flavor, and it provides good smell to our apple pie. Okay guys, I was able to peel, core, and slice the apples. Now it's time for us to fill our pastry. We have to make sure that we are filling it properly. We don't just add the apple. We have to really make sure that we are putting the sliced apples properly so that it will look good on our pastry. Takes time, but you need to be patient. I'm a little bit bossy. I want to make sure that it looks nice and it looks perfect. So as you could see guys, I have 2 pastries filled with apples because I did not just use 8 apples for today's recipe. I actually doubled the number of apples so I could have 2 pastries filled with apples, so I can have 2 baked apple pie for this Saturday morning. I'll be cooking the filling for the crust with the apples. So the first thing that we would do is to melt the 1/2 cup butter in this saucepan. We have to melt it well. Okay, now we're gonna be stir in the flour, the 3 tablespoon flour. Put it in low heat to form a paste. Keep on mixing. Then add the water, the 1/4 cup water. Keep mixing. Then continue to add the sugar, the white sugar, 1/4 cup sugar. And the 1/4 cup brown sugar. Make sure that your fire is on low heat. Keep on mixing these ingredients well so it forms a paste that looks like this. Mix well. Once all ingredients are mixed well and already form a thickened paste, then we can turn off the oven. Okay, the cooked paste is here, so I just add a dash of cinnamon and continue to stir. It smells good. See, a little bit of cinnamon brings or adds good smell to the paste. Now we're going to pour our filling onto this pastry of apples. Slowly, make sure that you cover entirely. Alright, we're gonna preheat our oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Alright guys, we're going to bake the apple pie for 15 minutes in the preheated oven. And as we bake, we need to reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so we were able to reduce the heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We have to put the kitchen timer and continue baking for 35 to 45 minutes until apples are soft. Alright, we'll just have to wait. If 35 minutes is not enough to cook the apples or make it soft, make the apples soft, then we can continue to add at least 10 more minutes until it's fully baked. Let's wait for the result. Apple pie is starting to bake. We are now baking the apple pie and wait for at least about 35 to 45 minutes to get it ready.